my name is Amitabh Verma. I'm the founder of Ads for Growth, and I would like to tell you a little bit more about the Google Web Analytics course that we've just launched. So, of course, this is a web analytics course, and this is meant for anyone who deals with data from the web. So, no matter whether you are an analyst or a marketing manager or the CXO, this program can help you in your day to day life. So, this program will start right from the basics. It's going to tell you how to set up and implement Google Analytics. It's going to tell you how to read the matrix and report, as well as it's going to help you with actionable insights that's going to help drive your business forward. So once this program is over, we'll offer you a certificate from Ads for Growth. But I think most importantly, you will become an analytics ninja, which is an expert. This program is not about coding and complex implementation. Like if you're a developer or if you're a coder and if you're looking to learn coding techniques, then perhaps this is not the program for you. So the session schedule go like this. Like we start right from basics. We start with setting up Google Analytics on your websites, understanding basic terminologies. We understand what is the basic differences between, say, a page view and a visit, and a click, bounce rates, etc. From there, we move on to standard reports, which Google Analytics provides, which helps you understand your audience better, understand how you've acquired them, the behavior on site, how conversions are happening, etc. Then we move to advanced segmentation techniques, filters, how to create custom reporting. Then the fourth session will be about creating goals, filters, how to link your analytics with Google AdWords, etc. From there, we will move to KPIs. We'll learn a little bit about what kind of right KPIs that your business needs to have. And we look at some of the reports that matter because it's very, very easy to get drowned in the data that an analytics system provides you. So you need to focus on the critical few. And this session will be about those reports that you need to have as a business manager. Session 6 is an important session. It's about attribution modeling. So you know that you have different channels to drive traffic to your business, but sometimes we are not very sure how to attribute each channel with success, because very, very frequently multiple channels work with each other to drive conversions. So we'll learn all about attribution modeling. We'll also look at social media tracking. Like we'll see how Google Analytics can help you track activities which is going on social media platforms like Facebook, etc. And finally, the last session, which is really very close to my heart, is on website content optimization techniques. Now, in this session, we will learn about how to conduct A/B testing, multivariate testing, with an aim to optimize your site for conversions. We spend a lot of money in driving traffic, and there is a huge amount of wastage because if your site is very cluttered or if it's not meant to give you the right kind of conversions, there is going to be a lot of wastage. So the final session will be about learning website content optimization techniques. Yeah, so this program is held through Google Hangout or web conference tool, so that you can log in from anywhere with the help of broadband connection and a laptop. The classes are very interactive and are held in smaller groups of 12 is the maximum, but generally we have smaller groups of people. The classes are held every Saturday, Sunday, like 12 noon to 1:30 p.m. For this batch, and then we are going to have different batches which may have different timings. So this is me, Amitabh Verma, and I'm going to be the instructor for you through all these sessions. I have over 15 years of experience, the last 7 of which was with Google as the head of global SMB services team in India. and I really love digital. Yeah, so that is it. So please talk to head honchos, and they are going to give you a lot more detail about pricing, offers, etc. Thank you very much.